Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to look at lesson 7 in Eureka. Our goal for this lesson is to be able to count by sevens, to multiply and divide using arrays and tape diagrams. So it's nothing new here. This is actually all stuff that we know. It might seem a bit intimidating, but once you start working at it, you'll realize that you guys have got this down packed. So let's take a look at what we're doing here. If you want to open your Learn book to this page, go ahead and do so. And then we are going to get started. So looking at this page, we're looking at our array here of these beautiful sunflowers, and it is asking us to do three things. It's asking us to find the unit form, the multiplication equation, and the division equation. So I'm actually going to model this for you for a little bit, and then I want you to try and do it independently. But here we go. Let's model this first. Let me model it for you. So as I'm looking at my entire array here of sunflowers, I notice that I'm going to count my rows. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 rows, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sunflowers in each row. So my unit is 7. That is my main focus. So when I'm looking at the first row, I'm just going to look at that first row. So row number 1, I'm going to say my unit form is I have one row of 7 sunflowers. So I have 1, 7. That's a bit hard on my mouse, but I'm doing my best here. I've got 1, 7. So to turn this into a multiplication equation, I'm going to take my 1 times 7, and that is equal to 7. And then for division, I'm going to obviously take my total 7 divided by the number of sunflowers in each row. There are 7 in my row, right? In each row, I have only 7 inside, so that's this number. And how many rows do I have? I have 1. 7 divided by 7 is equal to, that's a really bad 1, so I'm going to fix that. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. And you're going to just keep going and doing this, repeating this. I'm also going to erase that S because that's a horrible S. You're going to repeat this process for each of your rows, each of your math facts for 7. So now if I look here, this is my second row. We're just going to keep building. So now I have 2 7s. 2 7s. So I have 2 times 7, and I'm going to find my answer. I can find my answer by 1, knowing my math facts, but 2, counting now. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Then again, for my division equation, I take my total, which was 14. 14 divided by 7, right? My number in each row, and how many rows do I end up having? 2. So I want you to try and go ahead and complete this table now on your own. I want you guys to try and pause the video, please. Excuse me, sorry. And complete this now. And then I'm going to give you the answers. Hopefully you paused it. Give yourselves like 2 minutes to complete this. So this word, obviously I'm not going to write it because I'm going to be here all day. Hopefully you fast forward it, but this should be in every single box. 7, 7, 7, 7 sevens. Repeated. Hopefully you guys skip past this, but yes, this is your answer sheet. It should look something like that. We're not going to look at this today. So then we have our example. Gabe has 56 seeds that he plants in rows of 7. How many rows of seeds does he plant? So we've got our total here. He has 56 seeds and he plants them in rows of 7. It doesn't say 7 rows. He says rows of 7. So that means we're going to do 7 in each row until we get to 56. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, yikes, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Rows of 7, meaning there are 7 in each row. Now let's count how many rows I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many rows of seeds does he plant? He plants 8 rows. And that's my answer. Or if you just knew your math facts, you might have just done 56 divided by 7, which is equal to 8. And that is acceptable as well. So, same thing here. We're going to take our total, 42 divided by 7, equal to, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is the answer. And you could have also gone back and used this chart to help you as well, because that has your math facts there. But yes, your answer is 6. We're just going to speed through this quickly. And then I want you to go ahead and try, we're going to skip the learn pages. I actually just want you to skip ahead and go ahead and do the apply pages now. So remember, your apply pages are going to look very similar to this, to your learn pages. Don't do the learn pages, just do the apply pages. And then when I'm back on Wednesday, we will review this lesson. Hopefully it's not too difficult for you guys. Just try your best. And then, like I said, we will review when I come back.